Franco and the Sicilian Guy.
Buonasera, buonasera a tutti, buonasera.
Pronto?
Thank you guys for your patience. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. We are just a
What's up, everybody? Welcome to our sit down, our second episode. Italian Sicilians Do It Better. Joined with the Sicilian guy, Al. We have a special guest for you guys today, Shy.
What's up, everybody? How you guys doing?
Giacomo, monitor up.
Giacomo, Franco, the Sicilian Guy, stasera a fare qua, cioè sai, già capito come funziona quando comincio a cantare, tutti mi fanno la ola perché io ti faccio sognare, yo, siamo a New York, hai capito come funziona tutto il però, adesso vi saluto con questo mio freestyle e vi mando un bacio da parte del vostro Shy.
beautiful. What's up, guys? Here we are. We're officially starting our live here. We're everywhere. We are streaming live from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So Italian Sicilians Do It Better. The Sicilian Guy, Shy Official. Well, here, my name is Al, the Sicilian Guy, and I'm joined by these beautiful, beautiful, cute people.
I'm Frank Ciccio.
And Cucinario Marco.
And of course, again, our boy Shy.
What's up, guys?
Gotta admit, we should have called the fire department because I was fired.
That was pretty fire. That was pretty fire. So, buonasera a tutti. We're here with a special guest. He goes by Shy, and we're actually gonna talk about him a little bit, right?
Of course.
Shy is from Verona, Italy. He was kind enough to accept our invitation here at the live show, and he's with us. We want to know more about his Italian American culture and career here in the United States, since he's Italian born from Verona, from Lassù. So Shy,
What's up?
thank you for being here on
Thank you
behalf
guys for having me.
of all of us, man. So
Pleasure,
good to
brother.
have you. Yeah. So hey, so what's up, man? Tell us a little bit about you. What got you in the career of actually Italian rap, which that was fire, by the way, man. My compliments.
That was good.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
I would say it all started like as me writing stuff that I had inside, and then I actually made some rhymes, and then I tried like to put it in rap. I tried to make my own songs, and I started on my own little by little. I always listened to other rappers, one in particular, DMX. I always try to put on his lyrics, his
We love
beats
DMX,
and
man.
everything. And little by little, I made myself up.
So let's get this straight, so
started
people don't get a little bit confused, because you speak English obviously really well.
Eppure l'italiano parlo. Forza Verona sempre.
Right.
Questo
So
posso
let's
dire.
start from there. So how did your life go about? And then I want to have a follow up question on that. So let's start. How did that go about? You speaking English, you're here, then you were in Italy. I know there's certain things I've read up about you and that I want to discuss later. But right now I want to know. Tell me, how are you? Well, bilingual and all that stuff.
I was born in Italy, okay, and then I came here when I was 10.
Okay.
I met you when I was 10, right? 11.
Yeah.
It was
That's
big
when we
friends
met,
since.
yeah.
So then when I was 18, I moved back to Italy, and then I lived there for a lot of years. And then obviously I came back because you never forget where you come from, and you always miss actually where I came from. So
Absolutely.
All right. That's
that's
So when you got into the singing, have you joined any? I heard you say Sanremo.
yeah, I've been to Sanremo with a song against la violenza sulle donne, like women that get abused and stuff like that. I did a song with the Down syndrome kids also at San Remo. I've been in Palermo live. I've been in Termini Merese, the Carnival. You know,
That's
and
that's a really good point. I wanna bring up actually that you I mean so you did a song for women who are like abused, what particularly like abused
beaten
by
and stuff like that.
beaten by
So
like
what happened was
by
I saw a
in
woman.
relationships. You mean?
Yeah, I saw a woman that got beaten on Facebook. Like not on Facebook, but like
Jeez.
she put her post on Facebook and she got stabbed and everything. And I said, you know what, let me make a song for you. And that's how it all started off.
So pretty much you did like it pretty much was like a fundraiser kind of thing
Yeah.
for all the women
Yeah.
that to come out and speak out if you're being abused, not to be
Exactly.
in a relationship where you're being abused by your significant other.
That's
That's
awesome.
amazing,
That's
bro.
awesome.
That's
Thank you.
great right
I
there.
applaud you. That's
And
awesome.
then you did one for
The Down syndrome
Down
kids.
syndrome. Okay.
To make them feel the same, you know, because a lot of people sometimes, not sometimes, they always judge other people. So you know what?
Absolutely. No, that's amazing.
Basically, all these things I did, and I'll be honest, is to make my mother happy, you know. Because I know rappers got like a bad name on them, so I'm
You
like,
did-
let
you-
me do something for my mother to be happy and proud of me,
Yeah,
you
I'm
know.
sorry to
There you
bring
go.
this up. I don't mean to make this depressing or
No.
anything. You did lose your mom at a very young age, and you were raised by your grandmother, correct?
Yes, I was 36 days old when I lost her, and the reason,
6 days old. So
Yeah,
you were
Jesus
like,
Christ.
wow.
so the reason why like I sing and everything, why I rap is, you know, for my mother to hear me, and then the first like letters was to her. I just made some rhymes, you know, and
so
that's
pretty much your rap came from like life lessons
Experience.
and life experience that
Exactly.
you just wanted, that you just wanted to like to let the world know. That pretty much what you were doing, and correct me if I'm wrong, you were doing this to kind of like almost like let your anger and sadness out, right?
yeah,
I
A
mean,
lot
that
of
was your
times,
way
yeah.
of
yeah.
okay.
That's why my rap name is Shy. It's like, you know, I'm really that shy guy.
Yeah, but when you spit fire, you're not really that shy.
No, I know. Well, Shy for me, there's a reason for that name. Shy for me, you know, when you're little, you always have a superhero.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'm very fragile. Alessandro's very fragile. Shy was like the tough one, the superhero one. So I called him Shy because I was
So
actually.
was you like it was like your alter ego?
Yeah, exactly.
Mm.
I sta minchia.
Yeah, I got a little bit.
My alter ego is a 65-year-old old woman.
At least she's got good legs. You know, you got to be thankful.
Yeah, no,
for
they're
that.
pretty
Come on,
hairy,
come
but
on,
Mika,
man.
my alter ego is a 65-year-old woman. Your alter ego is a tough guy. Damn, what did I go wrong? I mean, yeah,
I wouldn't even know he was shy.
no, absolutely.
Yeah,
That
definitely.
that's awesome. So that's great. And then you were called to Sanremo for what?
For the song against domestic violence for the women and for the Down syndrome kids. I made like an anthem for both of them.
That's
One was an
beautiful.
anthem for the women.
So where
was-
can we find, if we want to listen to your songs, where can we find your music?
You can find me on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram.
And everything's what? Shy Official?
Shy Official on
Spotify,
Spotify,
right?
all
I know
over,
you have
yeah.
a couple hits down on Spotify, man. We're you
one
know,
went to Germany too. So one made it
Oh,
to Germany.
nice.
So.
That's
yeah, you made it on the radio in Germany,
Yeah, I
right?
took the airplane with one.
There you
I'll
go.
make sure to post that on my page if people are interested in
Yeah.
seeing him.
Yeah.
Make sure to follow.
Sounds like a good
But
idea.
One cool thing I want to ask, because I've been in the entertainment business before, but never in the singing business. Where or when do you feel you get these thoughts? Do you always write it down? You keep a book with you, or it's when you're alone, or
So basically, when I'm doing something like when I'm home, when I'm driving, I just record on my phone. I just
Yeah.
spit out some lyrics.
That makes sense.
and spit
Because
them out.
my thoughts come when I'm in the shower. And it's annoying because I swear to God, every time I'm in the fucking shower, I gotta get out of the shower, tutto bagnato, get tutte cose che sculano in terra, and I gotta get on my phone and write notes because my biggest thoughts come when I'm in shower.
Get a dry erase board. Put it on the
I
opposite side of the
know.
shower. Just right while
Don't
you're
do
in
it.
there.
I'm not even kidding. My thoughts every time I'm in the shower and I'm relaxing, all my comedy comes in my shower, and I gotta get out and write it down. You're at least you're driving, so you could text and
No,
get
I'm
into an
just,
accident. Yeah, so I'd rather
I
be in the
just
shower. I think.
record. Like basically, all my songs come from freestyle, from words that I invent, and then
You know what?
I
That's
just
a
write
good
them
point.
down.
Let me ask you something on that. So it's one thing to rap, right? To write down something and memorize it and rap about it. But you're like, and I've known you for a long time. You could just like at any moment like spit out lyrics, like like writing down a song and singing it is completely different than freestyling because you could just like see things and just rap about them off of your head. That's like, I think that's a completely different animal from writing a song, which you have talent at, and singing a song at studio, and then somebody telling you, "Yo, freestyle me," freestyle something, and you just start talking about whatever is around you, and I think that takes more talent. Than
It's
anything.
art. That's art.
That's hard.
That's
I
art.
mean,
Well, if you want me to be honest, it's two of us. You see, the real me writes songs, and I don't want to sound crazy here, but there's something inside of me that when he hears a beat, just starts spitting out.
right. Well, now
And
you're
I
scaring
don't
the shit out of
remember.
everybody.
No.
now.
I don't remember anything I say, so it's normal. You know,
Right.
that's
I take
so it's,
medication for that.
so, you know,
Yeah,
so it's the two of us. You know?
Medications for that, bro.
You know?
Because I mean, if you're hearing voices, that's
No, but they tell me I have to cook stuff, so it's a little different. Like I'm not making up lyrics. I'm just making also book at 3 in the morning. You know what I mean?
All right, I will.
yeah, io ti devo mangiare, cucinare Marco.
Hey,
Guido non mi fa bene la fame. Marco, please, let's save that till almost the end of the show.
I'm not even talking about
Because
it. Don't worry about it.
don't get me hungry, because then I become hangry mentre facciamo un show e poi finisce a schifio.
Tipo mi muzzica.
Yeah, poi ti comincia a mozzicare io a tia.
Hey, listen, it's a win-win.
I'm
That's the way I
sorry,
look
I
at
didn't
it.
mean to rub your leg like that. Yeah, all right. So wow. So you have two people. You got one guy that talks to you, and then you got one guy that writes.
No. It's me that writes, and then just the words come out on their own. Like I don't know how to explain it. I've never had an explanation for that.
You know what? He is true though, because he'll like do like a freestyle in the car, and I'm like, bro, you gotta write that shit down, right? I'm like, you gotta write it down. He's like, dude, I literally can't remember
What I just said.
I'm like,
Yeah.
dude, that shit was like fire. It was amazing. Like, you know how many hits with that thing would get? He's like, dude, I literally can't remember.
Wow,
what I
then
just
it
said.
should be your responsibility to have a recorder on you next to him.
Yeah,
all the time.
and then what happens? Poi ci cancio pure pannolino se ci sogno. Ci sogno pure a mangiare,
Well,
and
one
then I
thing-
become his bitch.
One thing I'm gonna tell you, you are
Mica, arrivo, Guido, se misco, mica, you gotta become your responsibility. Ma mica come fa? I got my own responsibilities. Ah, pensare pure io da pensare io.
How am I gonna use
with the
I thought
phone,
this
like
Marco-
you know.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, let me grab my phone. Yeah. All right, Mike. That's a good
remember-
suggestion, but keep it to yourself.
My
next time,
hardest,
man.
my hardest freestyle was in Brooklyn. You see, because went to the feast and I was supposed to sing with Maria Venuto, the song of New York, right? So I wrote my part in Italian. The problem is, I guess Shy was a little bit absent there, and I kind of forgot the words, and
Cold feet.
I
Cold feet.
had to come in with a freestyle throughout the whole song.
But was that now you froze up because what do you call people were or you on the spot?
No. I froze up because yeah, exactly. Well, first of all, I
think
didn't
it
have.
was the what do you call it? The Zeppeli smell that fucked them all up.
Oh,
I didn't-
First of all, I had no
He's
drink.
like,
nothing.
me get that Zeppeli smells
So,
good. He's like, oh shit, I forgot what I'm supposed to fucking rap about.
Now, there's a lot of times when I close in freestyle because sometimes I forget my words, like when I write them.
Mm.
And
Well,
it
the
just
thing to
came out.
defend you, I remember that day. It was because you just had written that song not too
Yeah,
long.
they told me like
before the
48
show.
hours before,
So yeah,
and I don't have a good memory process. I only went to high school. You know what I'm saying? So, that was my scariest one because you know what? I love New York, and I never thought that New York would open the doors for me like they did. I love New York,
Awesome.
and they did a lot for me. New York really did, really.
all right.
So-
Well, we want to talk about a little bit more about you, and then we want to get into a little bit into the Italian culture that involves everybody with the superstitions and stuff like that.
Superstitious.
But I do have to ask you this, Shy. I do have to ask you
Yeah.
this. Hopefully, maybe you could give us an answer or light to this. You've been on on the news for great stuff that you did, like you said, Sanremo and some shows that you did. I mean, I'm only mentioning this only because it's public knowledge and it was out in the
Yes, I used
public,
to.
obviously.
Che faciste?
And you were in the news for other
The
things
newspaper, yeah.
in the newspaper for other things that weren't really about.
Capipolise.
you were talking about the who's really the best American rapper in the East Coast?
That was one of them.
But we were talking about
But we
the
were
other one.
we were talking about the one that wasn't such positive publicity that you were in the news for.
I gotta hear this. What was it?
So I mean, if you want to
That's on the spot, though.
collaborate,
That's really on the spot.
I mean, listen, it's public. It's
Yeah,
how do you
it's
say it?
public
It's
knowledge.
It's public knowledge.
Let's
So
just
it's
say,
not like
no.
I mean,
Let's just
people
say,
can look you up and find out like the shit that you know. I don't know.
all right, let's just say that.
So I just want you from your own words, because you know the newspapers could write whatever they
Yeah.
want.
No, I mean they
people
were
talk
right.
about
They
it.
were right. I mean, it's not that they were right. You know what? Like, I'm a humble person, and I judge people from the heart, not
Okay.
for what they do. Obviously, you know, they asked me to go sing somebody, and I didn't go sing because you know
You did or you didn't?
I actually
You
did,
did,
and
right? So you were
something
kind of
happened there, and I got in the middle of it, but then got him out of it. But you know,
so you got caught up pretty much in something
yeah.
that and
But this is like on the spot. Though. This is like really on the spot, guys. This is like something off the.
I'm just asking. I'm just asking.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, no, it is because he called me like I'm like,
Was it?
what you talking about?
well, I mean, you are in an interview. I mean, you got to expect.
Okay, yeah, no. Basically, I judge people from the heart, you know.
All right, so you
And-
judge
and-
somebody. Obviously, you don't judge people for what they do. You did
Exactly.
something nice. You went. You did a song. What was I believe it was a wedding or somebody's wedding.
Yeah, somebody's wedding.
And then some shit went down, and you were in the middle of it.
Exactly.
And then
Jesus
you
Christ.
had to go through the process. And what if you could collaborate? What was the end result?
Yeah, result. I was fine. I wasn't guilty, so I leave it like that, you know.
On a positive note,
I also been on a newspaper for a lot of other good things, guys. You know. I don't
Right,
know.
right, right.
yeah, well,
I
we got to
just thought
throw
that
that
was
one
fine.
in. I mean, we need a little
Well,
more.
that's why I need another drink.
I'm sorry, it wasn't for me to put you on the spot. I just needed to know.
I am kind of
Uh,
curious.
no,
on what-
One more question I do have for you,
Okay.
if you don't mind.
Go
You guys
for
don't
it.
mind.
Go for it.
I mean, I just really want to know about
I want
his
you
life.
guys
He's
to ask
here.
me questions too, though.
You know, it's very
I
interesting.
wanna know whether we-
I'm a listener at this
Okay,
point.
you
I'm
know,
good.
you know.
I mean, yeah, I'm finding this shit really interesting. How about love life? Any kids? Any love life? Any? Sorry, I don't mean to get
No.
personal. You could say no at any time.
Well, no.
But I wanna. We really want to know, and I think they want
All
to know
right.
too. What's
So
your
I'm
love?
gonna be honest right now in front of the cameras and everybody. There actually is somebody that I will say in front of the cameras. I apologize for what happened. And I know it sounds bad. Hold on. No, because
There is
because over
somebody.
here. It's supposed to be.
Aspetta un minuto, però prima mi scusare.
I need my lawyer. Where's my lawyer? at,
Does this
please?
person have to do with the wedding? Or is
No,
it- is
no.
it-
There is somebody in my life. I'm sorry, hon, but that's already.
No,
all right.
so-
I gotta hear this. I'm sorry. So
Yeah.
there is somebody. I don't want to interrupt you. I just started
There is
fucking
somebody-
shitty as hell.
No, because you know,
Schools, I
I
mean.
need another drink after this. But
Yeah, I love you.
Scusami,
There is
amore
somebody-
mio, che ti fici chisto, però there is somebody.
Is there any better question, Doc?
Yeah,
I mean, I don't think it gets any better than this. He's
No,
like, yes, in front of the cameras, I'm gonna be straight up. Senti che c'è qualcuno. Aspetta un minuto. I'm sorry, però.
Okay, so there is a girl that I really like. She's beautiful. She's a sweetheart and everything. Unfortunately, something happened which it wasn't really my fault. It was my fault because hold on. I'm gonna say it. Listen, I thought I blocked this girl on the phone, but you know how retarded I am using the phones, right? So I blocked her from TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, but I didn't block her on my phone calls.
Mm.
So when I was on a date with this girl, which I'm not gonna mention her name,
So you're actually admitting to it on live camera.
I thought I did, but I'm not
No,
allowed.
you're literally admitting
Yeah.
that
Right
you
now.
did this shit right now.
No, that I didn't do it.
That you tried to block her and you didn't.
No, so basically what happened?
Get
I was
closer
out
to the
with this
mic,
girl.
please.
I was out with this girl. She's beautiful and everything. This other girl
And you
that I
pretty
thought
much
I
went
had
out with
blocked-
somebody else.
No. This other girl I thought I had blocked. Listen to this.
nice.
She calls me. Yeah, thank you guys. I need my lawyer over here. Come on, man.
You're gonna
Yeah.
need one
I'm
after
gonna
this.
represent you. Oh, and the question's directed to me
Um,
first. All right.
So
This is just getting. I don't know if he's like digging himself more in the grave,
no,
but
I'm not.
this is just getting more interesting. But the
I
question
just want to say this story. So the night went beautiful, okay, until 5 minutes to her car. This girl I haven't spoke to in a month and a half. That she was blocked everywhere. She randomly called me in front of her.
Oh, so you went out with the girl that you actually
Yes.
liked, and you're apologizing.
Yes,
to.
I'm apologizing on cameras in front of a lot of people, of thousands of people. Okay.
Strangers too.
Okay, strangers, thousand
So I'm
strangers.
assuming
She doesn't have Instagram. Maybe she does have Facebook. I hope. I think she does.
YouTube too.
So I am sorry. Okay, for
All right, he apologized. Bring her out.
Yeah, bring her out. Jerry.
She's been in the back waiting, listening this whole time.
No, but there is a girl. There is a girl. You know.
Okay, so one more question, and then we'll move on to other topics.
Sta facendo solare a Kido.
We got our first
Forza Inter a vita. Forza
Frank,
Inter, no
say
matter what
something,
happened
Frankie.
yesterday. Forza Inter.
Forza Inter, eh?
Oh,
There you go,
now
Frankie.
today's Forza Inter.
Because
Oh,
if I-
Forza Verona, we saved each
If I
other,
say,
baby.
if I say
Yeah.
anything else right now, you give me a shot.
Posso fare un saluto in italiano al mio grande amico? Poi vai avanti con le domande
Sì,
che mi devo un po' rompere il ghiaccio, no? Saluto il mio grande amico Andreas Klammer e la Ella Sarmi e tutti i buttei della curva. Forza Verona, forza sempre Verona.
Bravo.
Bravo. Forza, you know what?
Andreas, ti voglio bene.
Auguri al Verona che si è salvato oggi si è salvato
Andreas
contro lo
per me-
Spezia. Se siete rimasti in Serie A, auguroni.
Andreas per me è
Veramente.
stato uno che in Italia, quando io avevo un attimino mollato con la musica, no? L'ho conosciuto e siamo diventati grandi amici. E lui mi ha spinto per continuare a fare musica. Poi ho capito veramente chi era il capo brigata del Verona e quindi siamo
Ok.
grandi amici e ci voglio tanto bene.
No,
Io
no. Hai fatto bene a salutare
Andrea
perché
si deve veramente
giustamente
tanto.
se ti sta ascoltando o vedrà questo video
Metro vedrà.
nel futuro vedrà il saluto che hai fatto e mi sembra anche giusto che saluti la gente che conta. So you're free to absolutely
I was just
shout out
trying to
anybody you need.
wait for
And I just lost completely, my train of thought. What I was going to ask him next, but I don't think I should even ask more questions because this guy's he's just a mess, bro. You're a hot mess, bro.
Wow.
I mean, I love you and everything, but you're a hot mess, bro. I don't know. Oh, that was my follow-up
There it
question.
is.
My follow-up question was you apologized to this girl. So where do you and this girl actually stand at the moment? Right? Interesting question.
Yeah.
Did she forgive you or did you apologize because she's not forgiving you?
So this girl's actually not forgiving me. She thinks I'm a liar, which I'm not, because I only have feelings for her. That's
She
the
thinks
funny
I'm a
thing.
liar because I'm not.
You know, it's like,
Listen, girl, she
I
put
don't
her
want to say who she
out.
is, but I miss you.
Did you tell
She
him about
put-
us?
She put
Yeah, I love you, but
Joking.
I love you, but
Joking.
hold on a
Joking.
second. Hold on a second. 'Cause
he poured his heart out to you. I think it's time to forgive it. Listen, he tried to block her. He did admit that he tried to block her, and this girl, unfortunately, was obsessed and kept on calling. Jacob, let's go in the back to you. Let's go in the back to you. Do we have any questions before we continue at this point?
Yes, we have one question from the Hungry Guido, right friend of the show. Where the fuck is the lasagna?
Yo, what lasagna? Pasta voino.
Let me answer that question. We were waiting for the Hungry Guido to bring the lasagna.
Oh,
how's that?
Joey, you're coming by?
Oh.
All right. So okay.
So
guys, so thank you, Shy.
You're welcome.
I don't know how you're gonna end up after this show, but
I don't know.
I don't know if we destroyed your career or no, I'm just kidding.
Knock it down a few pegs.
Uh,
Next time, maybe we'll talk good about it.
Yeah.
You got other questions after?
Yeah, after I got some more questions for you, but right now we're just gonna let
You're
people.
good for now, bro.
Yeah, you're good for now. We're gonna let that sink into people. But guys,
All right.
he is an awesome guy. I've known him for years. Yeah, he did do an amazing. He does have an amazing career. He does do some beautiful songs, love songs, right? I believe a lot of them are love songs.
And I made
And,
the last one for this girl, but nobody knows.
Right. So
Ooh.
so go on Spotify. It's Shy Official. Check out his music. You'll love it. It's Italian American rap, and that's it. So guys,
Let's kick this off.
let's kick this off with
Let's go.
let's leave the mic to Frankie because a me mi stai scivolando. Frankie, take over a little bit. What are we talking about today?
Superstitious.
Oh, superstitions.
I want to get to superstitious because some of this stuff are funny. I like to get thoughts and opinions. Guys, the comments are open. We're responding to them live. Feel free to answer. Sorry,
Oh
feel
my
free to
God,
question.
that's the sins. We got 1,003,462,742 freaking superstitions. Where do we start?
Let's start with non si mettono le scarpe capo tavolino.
Bravo.
So-
Bravo. Never put your shoes, brand new shoes on the table. Well, I wouldn't put dirty shoes on the table.
Well, right.
But even if you buy brand new shoes, don't put them on the bed
Do
or
you
the
know
table.
the background behind these things? Because some of them I don't get.
It's bad luck. I don't know.
I know, but where did it come from? Because there always had to be
Some of
that
them,
one thing that
some of them I
happened.
don't know. Some of them I do. Like
Okay.
one that I do know is that, let's say you never, no, if you do have to throw out bread, you have to kiss it first.
Oh,
Right.
Okay.
and I get it. Body
And
of
the
Christ.
reason
I
is-
get that.
Right.
I understand
Very
that.
simple.
Pane
That I
Rosetta.
get.
It represents the body of Christ.
Yes.
It feeds people. So you kiss that before you throw it out.
Aluda, I got one that maybe I'm hoping you know the answer to, or you.
In Verona, nobody told me that.
See?
Yeah.
See that? Now you know.
With the broom, if they go over your foot.
Oh yes, you're not gonna get married.
Yes, but okay. How did that come
If they
about?
sweep your feet,
Okay.
that means that you're not gonna get married.
Why? Where did that come from? Where?
That's why I'm still single.
Because what happened is
Right.
quando io ti scoopano i piedi, no?
Is that where the term sweeping me off my feet comes from?
Sweep me off my feet.
Holy
So
shit.
what happens is quando they usano un broom to sweep your feet,
Sir.
right? And then that's it. I don't know the rest.
No, so they
I go
basically they say like when they sweep your feet,
Yeah.
you're not getting married. That's all.
Yeah,
don't
no, I
who
know, but-
invented it.
But it has to
Why?
happen to somebody.
To me,
To-
that's why I'm
Yeah.
so single.
That's why you're supposed to put the mop first.
You got
Right.
you got questions there?
We have a really good one, another good entry from the Hungry Guido. A good superstition. He only jerks off with a tissue on Wednesdays.
What's he do on Fridays?
I don't want to know.
And what else is there?
The salt over the left shoulder.
Yes.
But isn't that
That's
is that an
behind.
American thing?
Who devi
Yeah,
buttare dietro?
Yeah, behind. Isn't that an American thing, or is that an
So
Italian
so
thing?
what I know about that is if you spill
If
If
it's
you-
spill,
if it
okay,
spills
so if
over.
you spill wine accidentally, it's good luck.
Really?
Yes, that's good luck. Il vino. L'olio, if you
That's-
spill olive oil, that's bad luck.
yes.
Never heard of that. Wow. Okay.
That's
That's
when
bad
we,
luck.
they put salt
If you
on top.
break a mirror,
That's another one that's
but
universal.
that's the same,
7
that's
years.
universal. If you break a mirror, 7 anni malannata.
So,
7
same thing
years
with
of
the
bad
ladder
luck.
and the black cat. That's
Right.
all the stuff.
You spill oil, mettono un piazza nuovo.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much you shit out of luck if you spill oil. Then there's another one. The other one is do not open an umbrella indoors.
That's
Of course.
another universal.
That's another
one.
universal
Yeah.
one.
There's another one where if I'm gifting a knife or
Yes.
a
Oh,
wallet,
you're not allowed. Yeah,
Oh.
you gotta get money back.
Yeah, no,
Even if it's a penny or
it's a
2
loophole.
pennies.
It's a loop-
You gotta
it's a
pay
loophole.
So
taxes.
if I buy knives for you,
For me, right?
you're supposed to give me like a
Dollar
dollar or
whatever.
something,
That's the loophole they came
bro.
up
Because
with.
knives is I know the story
Okay.
behind that one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, knives is you're putting like it's a war symbol.
Like you're cutting
Like
the
it's a
relationship or
fight.
something?
Yeah.
I
So you
understand.
don't gift knives because it's like me putting almost like bad luck. Like it's like, you know,
Yeah.
we're gonna fight.
Yeah, I hear
And
you.
knife is a symbol of fighting.
Gotcha.
So you don't want to bring that as a gift. Like I'm gifting you a fight.
All right.
I'm just buy them. So you bought them from me.
Yeah,
I didn't gift them to you.
right.
Boom. I mean,
that's
I
called
don't know.
that's called paying your taxes up front.
yeah.
If you step on shit, it's good luck.
I think that's universal though. No, is it step on shit or when you get shitted on by a bird?
Yo, let me
It's
tell you a
both of 'em.
story about that.
There we go.
Well, no, I think stepping on shit. That's an American thing.
That might be an American, but the bird shitting on you.
They say it's good luck.
Yeah, it's good luck. Correct.
So I should be so
Good.
lucky for my car being shit on that I gotta wash it every day.
There you go.
No, the worst thing was I was walking to go to an important meeting, and I was so happy for this meeting. And on my way there, this fucking bird splat me right in the face.
Beautiful. That's the best of luck ever. Did you get the job for the meeting? Did you get the?
I was late. I had to go wash my face.
There was a guy in my job. Same thing happened, except that he was looking up. He had his mouth open.
Oh my god.
Not one, but I think purely Italians.
Yeah.
When you see a hearse, no,
That
Oh,
Tocaribale.
that's right. When you see her hearse.
That place is silly thing.
never had anybody else.
Well, yes.
From my dad.
That's a very Sicilian Palermitano thing. So the hearse passes by. The two things you do is you touch your testicles. I want to be nice about it.
Right.
E poi fai corna.
On your same stuff?
On the same thing. You do this and you do the corna.
Wow.
Yeah. Another superstition. Good luck is on New Year's Eve. to break the New Year's to wear red underwear. You guys hear that one before?
I heard about Lendique.
Yeah,
That's for the
lenticchie,
money,
In
for the
Verona they
mission.
say chi,
lenticchie e le mutande rosse. Ti mettono le mutande
in
russe.
Verona they say chi tromba l'ultimo dell'anno tromba tutto l'anno.
That's a ghost's
That's
position.
good.
It's like, babe, listen, it's 11:58. Let's get a quickie in.
You're lucky you're getting two
Yeah,
out of me.
all right.
You're lucky you're getting 2 minutes out of me.
There's also in Verona when you hear an ambulance, you have to touch yourself. That's one
No,
of
we don't
these.
do that when the ambulance in
Yes,
Sicily.
way more this one.
We just do with the dead people. You know, there's the nice people that do the sign of the cross, and you got the really superstitious people that touch their nuts and they do the e-corner. Like, hell no.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah. Especially that's a good one that somebody actually mentioned that. Especially if their hearse is empty.
Because that might be you next.
Yeah, exactly. that might be you next. So you gotta the whole knock on wood, that's an American thing.
I think that is an American
Yeah.
thing.
Getting ready
We
for
don't
more
believe
questions.
that.
But then they have the numbers, the 7 and the 13.
The 13 for us is great luck.
Okay, it was
17
13
è
that
a
was good.
disgrazia.
Okay.
Io sono nato 13. Good luck.
Yeah, i 17 per gli italiani è disgrazia.
Yeah.
Ok?
Verona di
Eh.
febbraio.
Il 23 è culo.
Yes. Yes. Moving the drip.
Il 23 è culo.
Eh.
So now we have another one in Italy.
What?
If your right hand itches, that means that money's coming out.
Oh yeah.
If your
Your
left hand itches, money's coming in.
But you guys in Sicily have another one, right? If you're like, it just means somebody's talking about you, something like thinking about you.
This one Aricchio.
No, that's there's one idea. If
No,
your
in
ear, no,
Palermo, that lady told me.
no, that's the ear ringing.
Okay.
If your ear rings,
Earrings.
you ask somebody for a
I
number,
think that's
they
universal.
give you the
though.
number, you do the alphabet, see who's talking shit about you.
We got some more.
What do you
What
got?
do we got?
We have never go straight home after a wake. Go get coffee. Don't bring
Never go straight home after a wake. What?
Wow, I'm new to that one.
Yeah, say
I'm-
that one again.
Go get coffee.
Go get coffee.
Do something in between. to
in
break it
between
up so
before you go on.
So you don't bring that.
Ah.
That's a new one for me. Wow.
Awesome.
Maybe we could ask this person what region of Italy are they from? Just because I don't know if it's Sicilian, but I never heard of that.
I never heard of
mean,
that.
Neither have I. That's
But
pretty
I'm
good,
gonna
though.
start doing that
I
just in
wanna be
case.
there when one of these things get created, like something dumb, like don't throw a hammer on your foot, otherwise your mother's gonna get a back hurt or something like that. I want to be
Wait,
there
what was that?
on the inception of one of these bad sayings happening. I want to be there.
You want
Right.
to you want to create one? You mean?
I don't want to create it. I want to be there. Happen to somebody else. I don't want the bad luck. I got enough of that shit. I'm just
We
saying
could
in
create
general.
one right now, actually.
How do you want to do it?
Wow.
Easy.
Fammi toccare prima.
Before you go out with a girl on a date, make sure you block her on everything.
Gotcha. So you got to do one of these.
Yeah,
All right,
because
gotcha.
don't forget to block her on your phone, because then
Right.
the girl's gonna call you while you're in a date, and then
He's talking to you.
we just created one. Guys, block her everywhere if you're going out on a date.
Because if you don't block it,
So, see, we just created
Now
one.
we gotta
But you know
break
what?
Shy.
But now
You
we
know
got
what?
a loophole to get out of that.
Fuck
So,
it.
because normally with the hurts you got to grab, but now what does he got to do to fix that?
No,
Throw
no,
it-
but
you know what? If the phone rings, just throw it out the window.
But you know what?
That's how you
No.
break the curse.
At this time, really, I didn't do anything. Like it was really a month and a half.
Yeah, I know. You're
Wow.
innocent, bro. I know.
Come
Yeah,
on,
we-
man, give him a break, bro.
No, he is.
Come on.
Serious.
Yeah,
You know
he's
how long
that
I want
serious.
to go out with this girl? You don't even know.
bro.
And the day I go out with her, when everything goes good.
But listen, can I ask?
That's it.
Can I ask how long? Yeah, let's go back to that because now I want to know how long is
Oh,
sit on
yeah,
that
yeah.
one.
how long is this girl not forgiving you?
you still
for?
coming in the queue.
Because listen, I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'm gonna give you my opinion. How long has this girl not forgiving you for, and you tried to ask for forgiveness many times? Is that correct?
Yes.
How long has it been?
Week.
Oh, all right. I say give her one more week, and she don't come through another week. You dump her. You dump her fast, or you forget about her, or you forget about her. You forget about
This
her
is
fast.
the Alessio test.
Okay. Any questions, Giacomo in the back?
There's another superstition.
Beautiful. I want to hear it.
Sounds very purely Italian. I don't know anybody else that does it. Money in the new car.
The money in the new
Oh,
car.
yes.
yes.
We do that. Bravo. Nice one. I do that all the time. So what Italians do, especially I know everybody in my family does it. We buy a new car and you take it around the family, all right? And they show you the car, and you throw money in the car, singles, whatever it is, change, singles,
So good luck.
and it's for good luck. And I guess you use that money for the first gas tank
Oh,
that
is
you
that
want
what
to
that
fill?
was? I
Yeah,
screwed up. I smoked it.
that was for the first thing.
I bought cigarettes with it, so I don't know.
And the week after, you crash your car. That's exactly
now I have a
why.
lawnmower.
Yes. So yes, that's a very, very, very good one. Thank you for that one.
That was good.
I do that. I personally do that. You buy a car, you take it around to family, friends. Hey, look at my new car. They throw change, money, dollars, whatever it is. And put one into benzina. You gather all that money together. You get gas with it.
So his brother.
So it's pretty much like a saying, like,
Yeah.
"Hey, good luck. I hope you never run out of
So
gas."
I didn't know that. So when I used to hang out with his brother, when he used to years ago, they used to attach like a $20
We used to tie it like a bow tie.
Right. I don't know these things. I'm looking at the 20. He goes get something. I'm like, oh, he's got money. He's looking for money. He's got it right here. And I go pay for whatever we were gonna go do. And he goes, where's the 20? I said, isn't that was there for like emergency money? He goes, no, that's my good luck 20. I'm like, fuck. I'm sorry.
I don't know about the good luck. Yeah. I don't know about the good luck 20, but yeah, it's used in,
Well, he
in
uses the 20.
emergencies.
I mean, he runs thicker than I do, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
I got spare change. That's all I got.
That's why when I buy a new car, I make sure I hit everybody.
Me, I drove my car from New Jersey. I did tutti parenti New Jersey. Then I went tutti parenti New York.
That's
Tutte, poi vendevo Connecticut. Poi I drove down to Virginia. Mica, il tempo che tornavo, my car was paid for. Altro che benzina.
Oh shit!
You know?
That's
You
funny.
gotta go to the good friends, bro.
Yeah.
The ones that some of them throw hundreds. Minchia, tira
You
dopo.
got friends like that?
I mean,
Yeah, right.
Hollywood. I got some friends that they throw the hundreds in there. I'm like, thank you, Minka. That's more than
That's
a gas
generous,
tank.
man.
It's very generous. Yeah, yeah. So what else? What other suspicion? Oh yeah, don't put the bread on the table upside down.
Upside down.
Bravo, yeah.
Oh, utensils, you can't cross them.
Bravo.
That's the
Bravo.
other one.
They're bravo. Don't cross them. Oh, you know another one?
Go ahead.
You know the one that when you shake hands, there's like more than in a group of people. It's like don't cross the shake hands.
That's the first time I heard it, but I'm like, I don't know. About
Yeah, like
it,
if I shake your hand and he's standing there and another guy standing there, like don't cross
That's
the
crazy,
shaking the
man.
hands. It's bad.
What's the one with the lighter? Like you can light 3 cigarettes at
Oh,
one time.
yeah.
Some shit. Yeah, I heard that once.
Like
before
you
too.
light, like if
I
you gotta
never
light
heard that
cigarettes for somebody after the second cigarette, you gotta shut it out. You gotta shut it off, and then there's another one that I learned here in the States. The one that you get the cigarette and you put up. Say if you smoke cigarettes,
the lucky cigarette.
The lucky, you
The
put
lucky
upside
one that's
down.
gonna
Yeah,
give
yeah.
you cancer when you
Yeah,
that's
like
what
that.
I'm
No,
out.
like if you're offering a cigarette to somebody, you can't give it to anybody. That's your cigarette.
Right. Guess what's the cigarette that I used to pull out of my friend's box first?
That
I always
one.
pulled that lucky
Yeah,
one.
because you're always
an
that
animal.
guy.
Exactly.
You're
I'm
always
You're
that
that guy. You're
I'm
that guy. You are that guy.
I don't do shit.
I can tell from your face. You are that guy.
But there's another
That's why
one
he's my
too.
lawyer.
See, you need a guy like
You
me.
can't sit at the corner edge of the table.
Right. Right.
Oh,
Is
yeah,
that
get
another
that
marriage one?
lock,
Is
yeah.
that- That's another marriage one,
You
right?
can't- You won't get married if your kid's in the
Yeah.
corner.
Yeah.
So what happens
So
if
from
somebody
now
slaps your
on,
foot at the corner of the table?
please just keep sweep my feet all the way you want. I'm gonna go sit in put a table put the corner right here
Ashbeck,
because I have no intent of getting married.
Ale, the hat on the bed.
Yes.
Do you know that one? I don't know why that one.
I
Just
don't.
curious. I don't know.
I really don't. If anybody knows the answers to any of the superstitions and why we don't do it, please enlighten us. Let us know what
This is
you
like
think.
ancient stuff.
Because this
man.
is some ancient shit. We just
Jesus.
I guess we just
Adrian,
know
Neil
about them. We just know about these superstitions and we follow them because we were brought up like that.
Yeah.
But technically, we don't know the reason behind it. We know what it means if you don't do it, or how it came
Do
about.
you see why I said I wanted to be there when one of these things are created?
Yeah. If
Because I want to have evidence of.
yeah,
wow,
you want to
this
go
is
back?
why.
You want to go back 20,000 years ago?
It's better than what's going on today.
I'm pretty sure we don't put our hats on the bed because then
Okay,
the husband will find it and then you're in trouble.
Uh-huh.
So
Gotcha. That's probably why.
Oh man.
Then
Who
there's,
was here? Hey, Marco. He came to cook and he just put his hat on the
That's
bed.
it. It was just
actually, I asked Marco a question not too long ago. Actually, my brother asked it, and he goes to me, if you could travel time and go back to any point in history, if ever, where would you go and when would you go? And guess what Ujinato Marco's response was? When they made the first meatball.
I want to see if they did it right.
Simple mangiare, benza.
Oh, food makes the
Nothing
world go
exciting.
round.
It's like I want to know who the fuck
Made the meatball.
came up with the ball. Cagarne, I feel. I want to know.
I got it. Yeah,
I gotta know.
I gotta know the history, bro. That's my
I
field.
wonder when meatballs came out. Do you know?
Honestly, I don't. I gotta look that up. Thank you. You gave me homework. What the fuck you give me homework for?
You're the one who wants to go back.
No, I said if I can go
In
back. I have to go and do
1774,
research.
when they made the Declaration of Independence, when they invented the meatball. I don't know.
Because we can still have the same argument that pasta was invented by the Chinese boy Marco Polo. You want to talk about that?
Bro, hey, listen, it probably, I think the meatball probably got invented even before
I think so too.
America was discovered.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think other people could invent that, but Italians just perfection things.
There we go. We perfected.
Listen, that's one thing about Italians.
That's why Italians and Sicilians
If we
do
don't,
it better.
that's
Hello.
the things with Italians, and there's a lot of things
Yeah.
that we don't invent, and that we
Actually-
do perfect.
Oh.
We make perfect. And one example is the pasta.
Oh wow! Look
Some-
at that.
Persia.
Persia.
See,
Persia invented the first meatball.
see,
No,
Look at
and we
that.
perfect.
No.
I believe that. I believe that.
Marcus
Yeah,
invented the first.
yeah.
meatball.
Listen, la pasta fu inventata di cinese.
Ah,
Okay, and
certo.
not we perfected
La
it.
pizza puro, right?
Okay, no, la pizza è napoletana. La pizza non si tocca.
Ma
La
scusate,
pizza was
ma
made from the first
scusate.
napoletano for Queen Margherita. La pizza è stata inventata da un napoletano che l'ha venuta a trovare. This history I know.
Yeah,
So the Queen of Italy was coming
yeah.
to visit this guy, and she asked for something very easy at the hand to make, very
Mhm.
simple. So he's like, "What can I make for her?" So he made the dough, and
Mhm.
he's like, "What can I do for the Queen?" So he made the margherita, which he used the red sauce,
Yeah,
the white for the mozzarella,
yeah.
and the basilico for the green. So he made the
Contrast.
The flag.
the flag in a pizza and named it La Margherita for Queen Margherita. That is a Napoletan thing.
E
What-
la peara è stata inventata a Verona. La peara.
La pera,
Thank
the one
you.
that grows in the
La
trees.
peara.
I don't know what
La
that is.
peara.
Uso
You
a
guys
birra.
don't listen, la peara.
A birra.
A pera.
A
Food
peara.
was invented by the Veronians.
Peara.
Che cazzo è sta pera?
La peara è la salsa, quella che l'hai mangiata la mia nonna con la carne bollita, con la lingua.
Bolognese?
No, la peara
La
è
fritola.
like a breadcrumb thing.
Sfingione.
No, sfincione. It's
No.
like look up peara, please.
Yeah. Don't-
P-E-A-R.
So anyway, so another
And-
thing is that apparently the
Thank you.
meatball was invented by the ancient Persians, and we perfected that as well. We perfected. What else did we perfect that we didn't invent?
Women.
Sì, o veronese cuisine. It's a noble sauce. Look at that.
Yeah,
The pork and
Peara.
noble sauce.
Nigga, you look that up
But
before
what
you got
is
here.
it? It looks like a soup. What is that?
Soup. It's
you
the
know what
best
the
thing.
Napoletani invented too? The South with the Napoletani,
Uh.
a poor man's dish, which is pasta con l'aglio e l'olio, e olio. But there was
La
because
lingua, guarda la lingua guarda la lingua.
because pasta con l'aglio e olio was it was easy to get. Pasta was easy to get.
I enjoy it once in a while.
You know, garlic was easy to get. Little olive oil,
Yeah.
little cheese. That's something that you always had in your house.
Yeah.
So and it became so popular now. You go to restaurants like $25 a dish.
You believe
And you
that?
could make that for like 50 cents.
Well, not 50 cents, maybe $5 because I use expensive pasta.
Yeah, but a plate of pasta is not gonna cost you $5, is it?
No.
Right.
It's gonna cost me way more.
It depends.
What do you mean way more?
A plate of pasta outside?
No.
Oh, at
if you
home.
make it, it's really gonna
Like
cost
five,
you
that's what
what?
I'm saying, like
You get
$5.
$5, you
Probably
whole
less
family.
than that because if you're making one plate of pasta,
Yeah,
you're using what? A half a box of pasta.
box.
So let's say it's
I don't do halves.
okay, a box. A $2 box of pasta.
$2.50.
All right, you're using some garlic. It's gonna. All right, $3 pasta dish.
Okay.
So they're making $20 profit.
Yeah,
making
of
a
course.
$20, $18 profit on a pasta that costs you $3 to make a home.
That's how it is.
And then if you want to feed a whole family, you're gonna spend $6,
You want to
$7.
hear something crazy about all that pricing? While we're paying $25 for that pasta, I just saw a video on Instagram how much they pay for like a lunch, and I'm talking about a 3-tier lunch, €8, and
Bro,
they're laying it out, and full plates.
that's
and-
one thing in Italy. You go in Italy, especially
eat,
in the
bro.
South, you eat a lot of fish and a lot of seafood and a lot of food, and and food is nothing compared to
It's
what we pay, bro.
incredible,
You can have
man.
like 7, 8 people at a table
Yeah,
with a first, second, third, and fourth course. Okay. And you could probably end up paying for like 8 people, €150.
Right.
When here you go out with 3, 4 people, you eat seafood, you have a couple of drinks, it might cost you about $200.
Yeah.
Okay. No, $200 for like 4 people. No, I'm sorry. What am I saying? I go on dates and I'm like,
you're laying out $200.
I'm paying $200
For two
for 2 people. You
You
go
got
out
a
with
salad.
yeah. you go out with a party of 8 in
forget
Italy,
about
and it's
it.
like 200 euros.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nothing, bro.
No.
Like I said, I go on dates with people, and it's like, let's clarify, women, and I'm paying 150, 180 dollars.
So what we went last week, that wasn't a date?
No, that was not a date.
That was not a date. I had intentions.
Yeah. You thought you wanted to
But
date. I was just starving. This guy. Any more questions in the back over there? Oh, how you doing?
It's my other half singing.
Yeah. So food is cheap in Italy.
Yeah.
But yeah, we perfect things. I mean, in Italy, you find the best things, the best cars.
There's a lot of inventors, man. There was a lot of people who invented that are Italian, bro.
You really think about it. Wasn't
A lot.
electricity invented? The telephone was invented by the Italian, and then Bell stole it from him. Ladro!
The
Thief!
the atom bomb. Italian.
See, guys, do your research. A
Research.
lot of Italian inventors that the Americans ha rubato, ha rubato. Yeah? Il telefono è stato inventato dagli italiani. There's so many things that we got robbed of, man. And then we come to the United States of America, and then the Sicilians like build this country. I'm just saying, we worked hard, and we weren't treated as right as many other people
Right.
think. And then there was the lynching in New Orleans of the Sicilians. They got lynched to death.
Didn't know that.
You didn't know
Did not
that?
know that.
Oh, that's
I
a
didn't know that.
big part of history.
Really?
Yeah, back in the 1800s, when the Italians were treated like
Garbage.
literally like
Didn't we
garbage. bro.
build the
Not
Brooklyn
Italians,
Bridge?
especially
Pretty
Sicilians.
sure we built the Brooklyn
They
Bridge.
lynched. I think it was 11 Sicilians got lynched to death, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. Sicilians were treated so bad, bro. Especially by the white people.
Yeah.
Okay. By the Irish.
Yeah.
The Irish had signs on their doors.
Mhm.
No Italians allowed.
Right.
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro, we go back, and
Yeah.
and that's why people ask me personally, hey Al, out of curiosity, are you white? And my answer to that, and a lot of people maybe not might agree with me, I say no.
Mediterranean.
I'm not white. I don't consider myself Caucasian. And and they say, well, what would you say? If I'm not gonna say Italian, okay, so you're Italian. So what do you mark?
Right.
What do you mark on a census thing?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like, other.
Good.
I mark other.
Good.
Because I am not associated to. I don't associate myself to being Caucasian.
Let me ask you
I
this.
don't.
Do you consider yourself, okay, and just to be a little bit more of a pinpoint, do you consider yourself to be European or Mediterranean?
No, I always say I'm Mediterranean.
So Mediterranean is what you go for.
Yeah, I go for
I'm
Mediterranean.
European.
You're
Yeah.
European.
He's more European because he's from the north.
He's more up north. Okay.
I'm more Mediterranean. I'm more, if anything, if I had to compare myself with another type of race, I would
Right.
compare myself
Chinese.
closer to closer to the Arabs,
Right.
closer to the Greeks,
Look at what Sicily.
closer to the
Look
Persians,
at Sicily. How many
even
people
closer to-
invaded?
even closer to the North Africans, I have to say.
Right. Yeah.
So how can I describe myself as a white person when I'm personally not white?
Correct.
And I'm sorry if somebody is going to get offended, but I was born and raised in Sicily, and I looked at my roots. Okay, I did history on my roots.
Yeah.
And I come from 99% of Sicily with North African roots.
Yeah.
And you know what? That's what I am. So I'm not gonna go and say I'm white. I'm not white.
Dude, those are hundreds.
I'm far from white.
Those are hundreds of years of people going to that land because of how fertile it was, bro.
That's
We
what.
have- like you said,
Bro, Sicily got literally invaded by everybody.
dude, what's our main dish?
From
Think about it.
from Africa, from the Arabs, from the Greeks, from
Keep-
everyone, man.
What's our main dish in Sicily that we like to eat? Couscous.
Couscous, bro.
And what's couscous?
Where does couscous come from? Morocco, North freaking Africa,
There you go.
bro. I mean, so you can't come up to me and say, "Oh, you're white." No, I'm not. I'm really not white. You know, don't let the skin tone confuse you, because in the summer I'm olive.
Right.
You know, and the reason why I lived here most of my life because I came to the States when I was 13.
Yeah.
Okay. When I came here as a little boy, I was olive. I lost my tan because I wasn't in the island
Yeah.
of Sicily.
Right.
Okay. But you go in Sicily, you find people freaking darker, much like dark olive, like like almost like Arabs.
Yeah.
You know how many times people, if they don't know, if I don't open my mouth,
Yeah.
people could think I'm Arabic. You know what I mean? Or Greek. You know what I mean?
Yugoslavic? What do you think?
And this guy gets he's like a
100% from
100%
what do you call him? A Viking. This guy's a Viking, bro. This guy's from Norway.
Mountains of Caucasus.
From Caucasus.
We have a
So,
question.
does
there?
anybody disagree or agree with me? Please send your feedback. We would love to know, and maybe we could have a discussion on
What
it.
is that?
He's smiling. Uh-oh.
Oh no, nothing on that. I was just in my head thinking like, we're white islanders.
Someone said something there. What did it say?
Oh, I got into an argument with one of my teachers because I didn't look white, and he's trying to tell me I am.
Well, listen, listen to whoever said that. They could say whatever they want to you. I
Absolutely.
mean, at the end of the day, I mean, let's not go
All right,
there.
it was fun, guys. Have fun.
Remember,
a teacher can give you advice.
at
but
the end
not
of
tell
the
you what to
day,
do.
somebody could tell you whatever they want to tell you, but if you know your roots and you know where you come from, and somebody wants to say otherwise, they could think whatever they want. At the end of the day, you could call me white all day long.
Right.
I know I'm not white. Like, and this is facts.
Yeah.
Like the fact that I have a penis makes me a male. That you could call me anything you want. You could call me a she. You could call me I don't know, a giraffe, a turtle.
But don't call me late for dinner.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I know I have
God.
male genitals. Last time I checked, which was probably like 5 minutes ago when I took a leak up in his bathroom. And last time I checked, I was a male. So you could identify, you could say whatever you want. At the end of the day, it's what I know, what I am, and what the facts are.
And this is CNN.
Thank you for joining us at CNN. And we're canceled.
So back to Shy about that question.
Yeah, about that question.
What'd you have to say? Say it quickly.
Hold on, let me get my drink.
Oh man.
So, guys, if you're Sicilian, you want to consider yourself white, you can consider yourself whatever you want. But at the end of the day, you're not white, my friend. You're Sicilian. All right, you're Mediterranean. Check other on your little caucus box.
Guys,
The census.
hope you don't
I
get
love when they
offended.
send census to my house. What are you? Other.
I hope you don't
Can
get
you specify
offended, but
Italian?
hope you don't get offended, but I have to go to the bathroom to check if I'm a boy or a girl.
Go ahead, bro. Have fun. Let me know what the results are.
He already forgot.
That's all right. Don't worry about it.
It's okay. It's all good, bro.
Listen, once in a while, we got to give a reminder.
Yeah, something you gotta remember.
Listen.
So Shy's gonna step away because he's gonna go check
He's figuring it out.
and figure it out. And
Life choices. It's about life
guys,
choices.
at this time, if you have any questions, we'll take your questions.
Yeah.
We'll answer them. It doesn't have to be about any specific topic that we talked
Anything.
about. It could
Anything.
be anything at this point. And then we'll start wrapping up for our second episode of the night. So if you have any questions, this is a good time to
Lay it out.
ask away. Anything goes.
Yep.
Because I love to answer
And if I
any
can't answer
question
them,
you
he
have.
will.
We forgot to mention the black cat.
What black?
Oh, Atanibora. When it crosses your car,
Universal.
Dude.
No, car. What car? Even when you're
dude,
supposed to cross you.
if I'm driving, and I swear to God, I do this, you could tell anybody. If I'm driving and a black cat crosses my car, I'm making a U-turn. I'm going around another way. I am not going.
But it's at night. It could be a raccoon.
You know why? I'm not taking any chances.
Oh, see, that's good. All right.
Better safe than sorry.
I'm
Yeah.
that guy who does
If there's
chances.
something that looks like a cat that just crossed the
Let me
street in front of me,
Ashbe. So let me ask you this: instead of having the cat completely cross in front, what if Abished it and you go forward, like you killed the bad luck right then and there? Huh? Is that a
but
loophole?
if you run her over, that's a loophole.
Okay, so that's a loophole.
That's a
All right, good.
loophole.
Next
Yeah,
time you see
just
a
keep
black cat,
driving
just keep going
because it didn't cross you back.
Just
You
make
actually
sure it didn't go.
you stopped there on its track. Yeah.
No, they're gonna think we kill cats and shit.
No, I don't.
No, we don't do that.
I swear, I break for any
Everything,
animal.
Everything.
I break for
Except for
possums.
deer.
I break for pigeons. I break for all
For
animals.
pigeons.
I break for everything.
Me, pigeons. He stops for.
Yeah, I stop for everything. I
I
do.
don't understand why there's all these car accidents in America.
I do.
I might get a little sidetracked with this one, but I want to bring up something that we spoke about not too long ago. It's happened to me, and I know you ever guys heard all this shit, crazy ghost stories and bullshit that you see on TV, right?
Mhm.
Those are not. I'm sorry. Let me stop you right there, and then you can
We
continue.
got a believer here.
First of all, they're not crazy stories. If it's a reliable source, ghosts are real, and spirits do exist. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Continue.
So I was saying, a lot of people may or may not believe in it. But I want to say something that I experienced that I don't say I went.
Sorry, Giacomo, you want to check Instagram if we have any questions on Instagram as well,
And the other platform, yeah.
and the other platform, and then if not, then we'll just finish this conversation and then we'll wrap it up. So if anybody on Instagram has any questions on both platforms, then we'll answer them. But so we know when to wrap it up. But right now we're gonna. I gotta hear about what
I'm telling you, this one's gonna stick to
what
me for life.
Got to say.
So years ago, I was maybe 14 years old, right? And I actually lived around the block from here. And we were playing, back in the day, kids used to play outside and play manhunt. Today, it's all about cell phones. Anyway,
Bro, good old days.
Good old
I miss
days.
those days.
so we were outside playing with friends, and all of a sudden, my grandfather comes running down to me. And remember the story?
Mm-hmm.
And he goes, Fra, out of breath. I said, what's the matter? He goes, "Keep that down there." He goes, just go look at her face. But he looked so concerned.
Mhm.
So me and my friend, we started not running, but jogging. And my experience is here. No matter how much I jogged or try to speed up to this person that was all dressed in black, by the
Let
way,
me guess, you couldn't catch up to her.
I could not catch up to her. We always maintained the same distance,
And she was
right? And now
Bravo.
it's everybody I was with sees this. So we're going down the block, right? She crosses the street. She turns. Seconds later, me and my friend turn, gone. Now I'm gonna rewind a bit. What caused my grandfather to tell me this? He opens the door
Mhm.
and finds this lady just awkwardly, just awkward.
like praying. Like it looked like she was praying in front of the
It was
door.
just- it
something.
was-
All right, so that's a perfect example. Are you a believer?
I
I
mean,
mean, you experienced it.
I
You just
I
said.
experienced it, so I'll say yes to a certain point because
What certain point?
dude, you hear other crap. I don't know.
No. What certain point? What certain point? There's no certain
I
point.
believe it.
You believe it?
Okay.
I had a think about it too.
There's no certain point. If that happened to you, okay. I mean, to a certain point, what's the certain point? What you need them to come in your room? Listen, I have personal experiences. I'm not gonna talk about them here, but I have experiences. I seen stuff. I heard stuff.
Wow.
It's real, man. It's real. All right. When we die, it just doesn't end here.
Well, that's my thing. It's like I'm not saying I don't believe it or I believe it. I'm just stuck in the middle because it's like when you go to sleep at night, right? Sometimes you just wake up in the morning, you don't have a dream. Like, does it just go black?
No, because you forget about it.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, because our memory's shot, bro.
To be honest with
Or
you,
that.
I dream every night.
Me too. I probably dream.
Every night. Not that I
And does it
probably. I
happen
know
to
I do.
you that if sometimes you dream, right, and then you remember the dream, like if something happens 3 days later,
It's deja vu.
you're like, "Yo, I just wait
It's
a
like,
minute, I just
this
dreamt
just
about
happened.
this shit."
Yeah.
yeah.
That's deja vu, bro.
So somebody asked something about
What was that question
Oh,
there?
What was the thing?
when are we gonna do Back to Sicily tour?
Hold on.
Aviator 182.
Back to
Now, Back to
Sicily.
Sicily tour. If you could collaborate more on what you mean by that, we could definitely work something out.
Absolutely.
I mean, we could definitely.
What's the other one?
What towns in Sicily are you all from?
All right.
Verona up north.
He's from Verona, up north. I'm gonna answer for myself. I'm from Città di Palermo, zona noce, città.
Camporeale, Sicilia, a small town.
And me and my brother are from Castellammare del Golfo
He plays golf all day.
all day long.
Bro, Castellammare Golf, man. Every time he mentions that,
Why you
city,
got it? Like, why mine, man? Why
I
mine?
know, because I spent time there and I love it, bro. I love it. I think and I'm from Palermo. Listen, I'm
Yeah,
from
I know.
Palermo. I'm from a beautiful city. We have Mondello. Don't get me wrong, Palermo, it's amazing. But I had the fortune, to spend 10 days in Castellammare Golfo, 10 days straight.
Nice.
And I went there. I went out there, and I'm in love.
Nice.
I'm in love with that town.
I know, man.
I'm in
I'm
love.
in love with Sicily. I'm in love with Palermo. My first live was in Palermo, Sicily. That's why I got this tattoo. Bro, the Sicilian.
I gotta say though,
My boy.
he is from up north,
You know,
I was a little confused by that, but
and he did his first show in Sicily,
that's nice.
and,
I grew up with his
and
family.
he grew up with my
Sicilian,
family,
so-
and he
The
has
Sicilian bite indirect.
Yeah. Yeah. So he tattooed himself
Sure you guys had
Trinacria,
yeah.
which is much
Ah,
respect for you, my
Trinacria.
brother. Much respect for you.
Absolutely.
And to everybody who's joined us,
And
man,
Pleasure being
thank you so
protecting
much
you.
for
There we
listening.
go.
And
Want a little history on the
yeah, it comes from the Greeks, but I would love to hear more. Sure.
It's a dance. It should be a dance.
No, it's used to look at
No,
the you used to look at the
dance.
Medusa and used to turn into stone
Yes,
if you looked it directly in the eyes. Yeah.
the colors yellow and red. You know what that's from?
I think that
colors
has to do
yellow and red?
something with something to divide us from Italy because we had our own little thing and something like that. I know it's something that has to do with prosperity was the red and North Africa or some shit like that. I don't know.
Russo e Palermo, and il giallo era Corleone.
Corleone, that's
Corleone.
right. That's what it was.
And they fought the invasion up north. Or down.
No, up north. Up north.
No, because they also put.
I think it was-
inspirations from Rome.
Yes,
Ah.
because it was Il Regno delle Due Sicilie. So I think we fought the North, and at that time we weren't part of like Italy.
France was coming down.
Correct. Yeah, we weren't part of Italy, and and then we were just it used to be called the Regno of the Two Sicilies, which was Naples and Sicily. And yeah,
Wow.
then we all became unionized, and that's why the North still fucking hates on us.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me say something about
It
this,
really
about
is.
the North. Let me say something about
But
this.
yes,
You've been to Verona.
Giallo Corleone.
You've been
bravo.
to Verona, and here you say it. Verona people don't hate nobody. They treat him like a king.
No, it's true. It's true. People from Venice were really rude to me.
Veneziani pure noi.
Veneziani were really rude because as soon as I spoke Italian, they hear that Sicilian accent, dude, completely
Yeah.
rude. They literally hate us.
Might as well be American.
Yeah, you might as well just speak American. But Verona, I did visit his city, a beautiful city. Didn't have no issues with nobody. Not that I cared. I actually had an argument with somebody from Venice, but it is what it is, man. Same thing in Sicily, bro. We have no hate for nobody.
We take it by open arms.
We take everybody in with open arms.
Can't say nothing.
We'll meet you that morning, and the same night you'll be at dinner with us.
You know what's funny about Sicily? When I went there at like late at night.
Mm.
And I had to perform the next day. So the lady's like, "Oh, I'll come pick you up at 10:30. We go out for breakfast." The lady who got abused. So I'm like, all right, 7:38.
Okay, she didn't
I
learn
get
a
up.
lesson, huh?
I get up, and I hear like these kids playing, stuff like that. So I went to grab a coffee. And the funny part is I asked them for cafe brioche, like you say, I'm North.
Mm.
And first of all, she already knew who I was. Well, you are.
Oh yeah.
So I waited
with that
half hour.
accent.
I waited half hour for brioche, right? And I'm like, yeah. I saw the cornetos over there, but she's not making one of them. And she brought me out this big brioche with the ice cream inside.
Oh.
To eat it took me 2 days.
Oh yeah.
Jesus
We're
To
known
eat
for
it
that.
took me 2 days.
The Polizione is uno dei.
Mhm.
No,
Yeah.
like the thing was like this, and all the ice cream inside it. Was
Yeah. We're so famous for the brioche with gelato.
Limone e
granita,
fragola.
limone e fraga granita. Yeah, absolutely.
Miguel, let's go
And
get
then
some.
one time, you know what happened to me in Sicily? This is
The
weird.
3 legs represent the 3 points
Of
of
Sicily.
Sicily. That's correct.
Yes.
Because Italy, if you look at it, it has it falls into 3 corners.
Why does the
Oh.
guy from Verona have a
I think he might
Hey,
have.
Dario, I love you too, baby.
Mhm.
You're part of my family. You know that. You know what happened to me in Sicily? That's very funny. So one day I was starving. There's this thing on the street. They made arancinas and everything. So I go. there.
This is controversial.
Hold on.
Controversial
So I go there. I'm like,
with the Sicilians. You'll see.
Oh,
Mi
shit.
volare un arancino. He's not listening to me. The music is on. He's serving other people. I said a second time, mi può dare un arancino? I'm starving. Meantime, I'm like,
I think I know
I'm
you
drooling
again.
over
You
here.
weren't saying it right?
Right.
Yeah.
so the third time he goes, arancina. Quello che è arancina, un'arancina. Right away I had it. So
So now,
I love Palermo,
now
baby.
let me give you a little backstory to that. So what happens is l'arancina è stata è palermitana. It's originally from Palermo.
Mhm.
And in the region of Palermo and provincia di Palermo, outside of Palermo, Trapani, it's called arancina. Now, if you go on, I believe it's on the east coast of the island, like Messina, Catania, Caltanissetta, like those areas of the east coast of the actual
Mhm.
island, they
Mhm.
say arancino.
And Gino.
So as soon as you come to me and you call it arancino, I already know
Where you from?
that you're not even from my parts.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the beauty about Sicily. Sicily has so many Sicilian dialects from each city that I know if you're from the same town, the
Mhm.
same city, the
Absolutely.
same region,
Mm-hmm.
if you speak the way I speak or grew up speaking. If you
Yeah.
speak it in a weird, like I could recognize Catanese right away. They're very distinct. Ragusano,
Termina.
yeah, like you could recognize those cities right
Yeah.
away that they're different. So the thing is about these places is that some parts of Sicily call it arancino, some places call it arancina.
All
For
right.
me, it's an arancina. And yes, if you go to Palermo, like you were in Palermo, you ask for arancino, they're not gonna serve you until you say it right.
I had the best fish in Mondello though.
Mondello.
Yeah, that's a beautiful spot. That's a beautiful spot. So I see we have some people that are from Caltanissetta as well, huh? Saluti a Caltanissetta, saluti a tutti voi siciliani.
What's that question about Verona?
Tattoo.
It was that Dario?
Yeah. Anything on Instagram going on? Any questions there? And then we'll I guess we could wrap it up.
No questions. Just ciao a tutti and como va from Bong Dong. I don't know Bong Dong.
Bong Donkey.
Thank you very much for gracing us with that screen name.
Yes, that's I think that's a screen name that needs to be like said out loud. That's awesome. Bon Donkey. Don Donkey or Bon Donkey?
Bong donkey.
Oh, Bon Donkey.
I need a drink for this.
So we know that Bon Donkey.
He's gonna get 1,000 hits now.
You're welcome for the followers.
Bon Donkey doesn't smoke at all. We'll just leave it at
I
that.
want to say something to you guys.
Ciao, Laura.
Ciao tutti. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for yours are just joining us now, but we're almost at the end. But you know what? It's gonna be posted on all of our platforms, and you could rewatch the show from the beginning. But right now, we have a question from our special guest.
No, it's not a question.
Oh.
I just want to reveal something live. I'm doing the last song. All right, so
Wait, what?
I
What just
always said that my last song would be, and I'll make a song about my grandmother. I'm collaborating with a rapper from Florida named Tantra, which I think she's great. She's talented, everything. About nonos, grandparents.
Awesome.
So after this, I'm gonna call it the end. I
Wait. What do you mean call at the end?
call it the end, bro. Like I'm seriously, you really didn't know about it. Nobody knew. I'm just gonna.
Wait, call at the end like you're done. You're done making music.
I'm gonna do the last one for my grandma, like she deserves.
Wait,
So
wait. Let me get this right.
Yeah, I'm confused. I was gonna help make you a star.
So wait. So you made songs, and I know that you were invited to Canta New York
New York Canta with Clementino, yeah.
Yeah.
and you're literally not accepting the offer.
There's something I had inside.
Did you just fucking
Oh, let him drop it. Let him
wait?
drop
Did
it.
you just give your resignation online just now?
Let him drop. Why?
So
What
I'm
happened?
gonna be out for a while.
So you're making one last song and you're done.
Our grandparents, yeah. I did a lot. I
Wow.
thank you all, for everything. Just didn't know how to come out and say it.
Wow.
I really didn't know how to tell you. That's why you're like,
Very upset. Clearly, visibly upset.
I'm just.
I don't think he's upset. He's
so-
just
It's shocked.
shocked.
He's just
It's
so
shocked.
talented and he's just been putting out music and his music like seriously. If you guys go and listen to his songs, like
100%.
they have meaning. So all the songs, they're
Well,
not
it
just
is
like talking about getting shot or getting murdered and like he talks about like meaning, like life.
Can
meaning.
I ask? why you had this thought.
Because I always said I remember my grandmother, which like a mother to me, and she was in her retirement home. She asked me to sing for her, and I said no. I said because the last song I do is for you. She passed away and everything, and I went out with my songs, man, with everything. This rapper from Florida said, "You know what? Let's make a song about grandparents." And inside I felt, you know what? It's time for Alessandro to step up in the world and be the person that he is. A lot of times, I felt this way. So I
Listen,
figure let me do this last song and then
the only thing I'm gonna say to
I do apologize a lot.
no,
dude.
no,
I wish I could be invited more, and I'll rap for you guys all the time. But what I'm trying to say
you guys aren't
Answering Facebook.
loud. I can't hear. Well,
Um,
all right, you know what? I'm sorry.
that was because
I'm
of me.
sorry.
I
If you
apologize.
could, Karamia, if you could repeat your question, because it says that you guys aren't answering Facebook. I'm sorry. We apologize. If you
Still love you
retype
guys,
your
you know?
question, I promise you we
Still
will
love you
answer your
guys. I'll
question.
roll.
No, yeah.
Start
Laura
hating
says
me.
speak louder.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do here is the only thing I could tell you is, hi Karamia, how are you? If you have a question, please. Oh no, it was not a comment. Okay, all right. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Well, on that note, I mean, listen. All I can say to you is, God bless you. Seriously,
Mhm.
the best of luck.
Absolutely.
I honestly can't wait. Can't wait to hear your last song about your grandmother, and I wish you well with whatever future endeavors you have, bro. Honestly, I'm shocked. I love your music.
I'm excited to find out what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna throw a last album this year, and
All right,
a full
well,
album.
that's
and
a shocker closure to this beautiful
I mean,
interview.
I want to concentrate on myself and having a family that I always missed.
So you trying to get that girl? I know. I
No.
got you.
That's for my grandmother only a lot.
I got you. That's I respect that. I respect that. And I met your grandmother. She was a lovely, beautiful
I would have
soul.
sang that day. The problem is I didn't have the guts. I had
So
a hangover
you're
from the night
working.
before,
So
and
what? So let's get this clear. You're working on this last song. You're actually working on it
with the
name?
rapper from Florida,
From
Tantra, which
Florida.
I will have a few dates with her.
Is
Then
there
I'll
a name
throw
of the
my
song
album.
yet? Or
And then
I'll
you're
throw
done.
my
Is there a
album.
name yet for this song yet or no?
No.
Can you just give us a couple names of your songs that you have out right now on Spotify?
How many albums? How many albums?
I have 2 albums out. One is Guarda Dentro Te, and one is Love. Guarda Dentro Te was a song that Guarda Dentro Te was a song that lifted me up from depression, where my music really started.
And that's where you have the song with like
Chiara Granetto, which she was at the Voice of Italy, and
right, and that's where you have songs about
Uh,
the abused women.
no, that's also on YouTube. Riprendere a sorridere means start smiling again for the women, like
Okay.
it's,
And then you have one that's called Love Love.
yeah.
That's a great one. And then the
That
other
one
one,
went to Germany.
which was the one that you mixed half English and Italian?
My Life.
My Life.
That's pretty good.
My Life is really good.
I'm gonna throw an album,
Yeah,
new
My
album
Life is actually
by the
really
end of the year,
nice.
where I'm gonna say everything about everybody. You see, like about the music industry. I find a lot of wrong things here in America, which I love. I love New York again, but there's Italian people singing that they don't appreciate some artist that actually makes the songs,
Got it.
but they go and remix.
Listen, it's a tough business,
You
man.
know,
It is tough.
We know you're talented. It's a tough business. And you also have a beautiful song that you made about our life growing up, VIP in Trip.
We've been trip.
VIP, VIP, like very important people, and VIP in Trip.
Da Verona a Palermo, Italy, Sicilians Guy, sono ancora qua.
Yeah?
So che si farà, siamo VIP in
Yeah,
trip.
so that's a good song that you actually
Um,
threw. We actually
It's actually a song
put that
about us
together.
growing up, him driving like a maniac, and me putting in a song. Senti quei cati, stima domata, finiscina abbassati, era tutto volume.
That is
That was his father.
Yeah.
No, it's not tough. You know what it is. You like I come to to a moment in life where I just want to concentrate on myself and give more to myself, and actually make myself happy. You know what I'm saying? Like I've tried for a lot of years, and now I'm 41 years old.
Get close to the mic.
I'm
Please.
41 years old. I'm sorry, and
he's single, guys. So if you have anybody that wants to hook up with Shy, He's on
I have feelings
Shy
for somebody.
official page on Instagram.
I actually made a song for her.
We're taking orders from now.
We're
I
taking
actually
orders
made a
right
song
now.
for her. I made a
Send your
freestyle
resume
for her, and
in.
she liked it, and that's gonna be on my album.
Nice.
So now, Frankie, you're married.
Yeah, married.
You got beautiful
Three little girls.
little
You sing a
girls.
little now? Who's this?
God bless you.
My little one is named like you, and you guys click.
Yeah,
pretty
Alessia.
good.
She's my little favorite one. Not only because she's such a cutie, but also because her name is Alessia. I mean, come on.
Wait, if I sing,
Marco, how about you, Marco?
Hold on,
Are you on the market?
if I sing, she's giving me the rice bowl. I'm not understanding.
I'll give you a rice bowl.
If you sing first, she'll give you a rice bowl.
And where are you gonna send it through a computer?
You never know. Maybe
You know what? Giacomo?
I'm just
why don't you
joking.
throw a beat out there. Throw a little beat so Shy could give Cara Mia a little
Forgot how to do it, guys.
come on, do it for Cara Mia. Make
I
sure you,
forgot how to do it.
Let's end
sure
the show of fire.
Make sure you throw her handle in. Her handle is Canta Mia. So throw in a little beat. By the way, Marco is in the market as well.
Always a groomsman, never a groom. What's
There
up,
you
guys?
go.
Marco accepts women and food.
And food, and not only that, he will cook up a meal for you.
Ooh, and I'll make you laugh while you eat.
That you'll be in love the first moment you meet him and eat his meal. And guys, we're gonna throw a beat in here. We're gonna let Shy freestyle because that's what mostly he does. He just spits shit out of his head, and he's gonna include something for Canta Mia that asked him for freestyle. Cara or mi Canta Mia? Cara Mia. Sorry.
So what I want to
No
do
Cara
real
Mia.
quick before Shy talks, if you guys agree, I want to end it with Shy. I want to end the show with Shy closing out the show. I want to thank everybody for joining us. We are going to do this again a month from now. We'll come up with a date and announcement and everything. I want to thank Alessia for being me. It's always an honor having this guy next to me. Marco for coming down, and of course Shy. And
My pleasure.
here we go.
Yeah, guys, have a great night. We love
All
you.
right.
Thank you for joining us. I want to
Can
thank
you guys hear me?
Frankie as well, and Marco and Giacomo in back of the scenes. Thank you guys for having me always, and it's a pleasure. And thank you to everybody out there on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I love you, and stay tuned for some more funny videos coming out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perché questa è la verità e per questo cara nonna anche oggi sono qua. Hai capito? Ti ho raccontato un pochino della vita mia, per questo te la dedico a te questa, cara mia, la gente che mi ha sempre giudicato, criticato, allo stesso tempo me tanto rap ho imparato, ma sono felice oggi per questa verità, perché l'Hellas Verona cazzo resta in Serie A. Hai capito che con questo mio freestyle vi saluto tutti quanti da parte di Shy, allo stesso tempo può essere una mia canzone, ma dentro nel vostro cuore capite sono uno su un milione, yeah, e cambia questo beat, questo freestyle, e dall'altra parte qua c'è Shy. Facciamo andare un po' veloce, un po' questa cosa, perché quando canto io tutti fanno la ola, boom, boom. A New York sono qua con te, boom, boom. Yo, come on, baby! Bravo, man. Thank you so much for joining us, bro.